How to join a WhatsApp group with QR code. First thing first, you're gonna have to do is open up your WhatsApp and find the code that you want to join with. So for example, here is a QR code on my WhatsApp. What you're gonna have to do now is download this QR code. For that, you can just tap on the three lines at the top right and then click on save. Now it will be saved to your gallery. The next step is to go ahead and open up your Google application. Just tap on it to launch the Google app. Then you are going to have to click on this image search. So tap on the Google Lens option. And once you have selected the image, the Google Lens will automatically scan the QR code and give you the WhatsApp groups link. So what you're going to have to do now is you can just tap on this link right here. And you're going to have an option to join this group. So just tap on join group and you should be good to go. So you've successfully joined the group now. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.